Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and this is the segment where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. Behind me, I have a 2021 CrossRoads Zinger Lite 18RK. This is a lightweight single axle trailer from Zinger. It weighs 3,600 pounds dry. And guys, there's a lot to love about this floor plan. Let's pop up inside and check it out. The RK stands for rear kitchen. That is the namesake here. And as you can see, this is what you get. There are no slides on this trailer, so this layout is it in its entirety. At the very front, we have what I like to call a camper queen turned sideways. It's a little bit smaller than a queen bed, but it's bigger than a full bed. Plenty of room to sleep because your feet can hang off the edge if you're very tall. We have a closet up and to the right of that, and a little drawer and nightstand down low. Pushing back towards the back of the camper, we have a dinette that can convert into yet another bed, as well as a jackknife sofa that's directly across from it that can do the same. Now, they've added some extra storage in a few places. If you look up here above the dinette, we have some overhead cabinetry. Right down there below it, there's a nice sound bar there. That's Bluetooth. You can pair it with your phone so you can have your tunes bumping in here. Now the RK, the namesake, that's back this way. The rear kitchen itself is actually quite nice because of the way they've tucked it into this corner. It gives us a lot of counter space. They've given us a 2-burner stove over here, a nice decent sized sink, plenty of overhead cabinetry above, and a little exhaust fan up here right over your kitchen as well. The refrigerator is tucked over into this corner. It's a 12-volt Norcolt refrigerator, so it's got lots and lots of space inside. Plenty for this size trailer and being a weekend warrior or a one-week adventurer. The bathroom is back here in the back corner, tucked away. It's a full bathroom, so we've got everything in there. The sink, the toilet, and the shower with a little skylight up above. It's all here, folks, and this is a cool little trailer for sure. You can see it for yourself in person here at Southern RV in McDonough, Georgia, or on our website, southernrv.com. Until next time, happy camping!